The KICKER CSC speakers are a perfect choice if you want to replace your blown stock speakers or those stock speakers that just don't sound very good. They come in a variety of stock sizes from 3.5, 4-inch, 4x6, 4x10, 5.25, 6.5, 6.75, 6x8, and 6x9. These speakers sound great, they fit in over 80% of the stock locations, and they're a great value. When you first take the CS speakers out of the box, you're going to notice a stylish metal grill. This metal grill is there to protect the speaker if you have to cut a hole to mount the speaker. Most of the time you'll be mounting it behind a factory speaker grill, so you're not going to need this aftermarket grill that goes along with the speaker. Underneath the grill, we have a 13mm PEI tweeter for very sharp, crisp, clean, clear high frequencies. There's a little ring around the tweeter that has dimples in it similar to a golf ball to aid in wide-angle dispersion. That means your high frequencies are going to be evenly spread throughout the vehicle. Behind it is a polypropylene mid-range cone that's extremely light. It's very efficient, so it doesn't require an amplifier to play very loud, and since it's polypropylene, it's not affected by weather. Surrounding the mid-range is this ribbed UV treated foam surround. The ribs are there to reduce surround distortion, and the UV treating will ensure that this speaker will last for many years to come, even in direct sunlight. We also have several different mounting holes. Even though this is a 6.5-inch speaker, it fits in a variety of mounting locations and applications. That's why we give you several different mounting holes on the speaker to make sure it's going to fit every time. As we turn the speaker over, you're going to notice it's very shallow. In fact, it'll fit in almost 85% of the stock locations on the market. As we look a little closer, we see two speaker terminals. You have a 0.187 positive terminal and a 0.110 negative terminal. They're sized differently to make sure you do not get the polarity mixed up between the left and right speakers. The basket on this speaker is powder-coated steel to resist corrosion for many years to come. Each box includes these two wiring pigtails, one for each speaker. The spade connectors are different sizes, so they'll correspond properly to the positive and negative connection on your speaker. Therefore, you cannot get the polarity wrong. There's a solid gray wire and a gray wire with a black stripe. The solid gray is the positive wire, and the gray with black stripe is the negative wire. When you connect this to your factory harness, you'll also have to verify the proper speaker polarity coming out of the factory radio or amplifier. When you make your connection, you'll use two of these butt connectors for each speaker to connect it securely to the factory harness. To mount the speaker, you get 8 mounting screws, and if the holes are not very snug, we also include these 8 speed clips to ensure the speaker is mounted solidly to the mounting surface. As you've just seen, the KICKER CSC speakers make an obvious choice when you're going to replace your stock speakers. They're going to replace blown stock speakers or stock speakers that just don't sound very good. These speakers are awesome, they're going to fit, they sound great, and they're very affordable. Visit your favorite authorized KICKER retailer either online or in person and try a set today.